Sam, you want to go first?
So I am Sam Bello. I am the regional sales manager for the Americas, all the way from Canada down to Argentina.
And I'm Pat Fitzgerald, and I'm the president and general manager of Chronos Imaging.
Hey guys, I'd love to hear a little bit about your company and tell us the relationship between Dunlee and Chronos.
Sure. So, Dunlee is, as you know, has been a leader and an innovator in third-party CT replacement tube for many, many years, decades really. And often being the first to come to market with a replacement tube, innovating, the first to make it economically feasible for the service companies in our industry to be able to service an OEM CT scanner. And the way that Chronos Imaging came into the picture was in 2018. We had the opportunity to buy the Dunlee factory and form a partnership with Dunlee, where we now, on a contract manufacturing basis, make all of the Dunlee branded CT replacement tubes for them in the same factory with the same people, same technicians, everything that we had for many years.
So that is great to hear, but I want to hear a little bit more about your offerings. What makes you all unique?
Sure. Well, what's always been really, I would say, the three hallmarks of Dunlee are quality. So first and foremost, Dunlee always set out to make a form, fit, function replacement which would be the equal or better than the original OEM tube in terms of performance and lifetime. And so every tube company strives for quality, and every tube company, frankly, at times has quality issues, but it's how does a company over a long period of time strive for those things. So the first point is quality, and I think Dunlee has generally been regarded over the years as being, probably the leader in that area. Another, key differentiator is we're made in the USA. So in an era when many of the OEMs out there are making their tubes in either India or in China, Dunlee has partnered with Chronos in order to allow us to make these products still in the USA. And that's really important to a lot of our customers. And the third area that I would say that makes us different is innovation, right? So, over the years, Dunlee was often an innovator, using the first to have form, fit, function replacements, first to test all of their tubes on OEM CT scanners. And, the latest area of innovation now is the parent company of Dunlee is actually, been in the tube business for more than 100 years. And was yes, it really is more than 100 years at this point, and it was the inventor of a really unique technology called liquid metal bearing, which is more than 30 years ago, and now all the other OEMs have chosen to be using liquid metal bearing. And so the latest area of innovation is that we're coming out with a product that will use the liquid metal bearing now for the first time in a Dunlee branded CT replacement tube.
So tell us a little bit about these products.
And before that, we also sell the tube for many years all around the world. So we have sold it all the way from Canada, obviously the US, Brazil, Argentina, Europe, China. So we have also a global presence.
Yes, it sounds like you have a real legacy in the industry.
Right.
And I want to hear a little bit more about these new products you guys have.
Right. So the first of these products using this Dunlee technology, this liquid metal bearing, which is now commercially known as the Cool Glide, is we're developing it now. It's running on OEM CT scanners. It's a replacement for a GE CT scanner known as the Optima, and also some of their models are known as the Revolution Evo. And so it's really special, and the installed base is increasingly turning over to these liquid metal bearings. And so we think it's going to be a very good product for us and a very good product for our service customers.
Yes, it sounds like it. So I think everybody wants to know, what does the future hold for Dunlee and Chronos?
Sure. Well, we have a very strong partnership today. Sam and I actually, in one fashion or another, have worked together for many years.
Right.
And so this partnership has worked out very well to keep the production of the Dunlee tubes here in the U.S. And for us to work together with investments from Dunlee on development of new products. And I think that now that the market has tilted towards using liquid metal bearings, if we're successful, and I know we're going to be successful with this new product for the GE scanners, then we can turn our attention to what's next, right? So if there's half a dozen tubes that could be interesting that use that kind of technology, we would just look at what would be the next thing after that.
Well, I'm so happy we could do this today, guys. Did you have anything else you wanted to end with?
So we are very grateful and thankful that we continue to bring a solution, good news for the users of CT tubes, and together with Chronos, Dunlee wants to keep on bringing that to you and earning your business from here on out with new technology and the future technology that the company is bringing to you.